So hello guys, welcome back to the new video, and here in this I'm going to tell you how you can write a cover letter for any job that you are going to apply. So here is the prompt, and let's get started without wasting any of your time. So this is the prompt that I've written. Just you can see here, I've written I want you means ChatGPT to act as a cover letter writer, and I will provide you with the information about the job that I'm applying for and my relevant skills and experience, and you will use that particular information to create a professional and effective cover letter. You should use the appropriate formatting and the layout to make the cover letter visually appealing and easy to read for the HR that we are going to send it. And this is the basically prompt that I have written for writing the cover letter, and here the ChatGPT told that I would be very happy to help you writing the cover letter. To get started, please provide me with the following information. And with that, as let's see, you are searching your job on LinkedIn, and here is the job description. You can just copy paste here, and then your relevant skills and experience you can include, then your name and contact information and the company you are applying to. And with this information, just you can see the output of the ChatGPT. I have provided this input, but here is the ChatGPT that have wrote the cover letter in less than 2 minutes. So here you can see, dear hiring manager, that is the name of HR, and here I'm excited to apply for the software engineer intern position at NetApp, that is name of the company, as a computer science student at the University of California, Berkeley. I've gained a strong foundation in software development, and I'm eager to apply my skills and knowledge. As you can see guys, the ChatGPT have written this cover letter in less than 2 minutes. So yeah, this was the prompt. I will give you this prompt into the description. Just you can copy and paste this prompt into your terminal of ChatGPT in your PC. So that's it. That was this video about how you can write the cover letter in less than 2 minutes. And this video is particularly sponsored by AI Convo. Basically, I will tell you what it is. So you can see here, I've created one course based on ChatGPT, how you can use ChatGPT in 101 different professions. Just you can go through the curriculum of this course, and just you can see how I have used ChatGPT as an advertiser. I have given you along with the prompt. So here are 101 cases along with the prompt text files I have provided you into the course. Just go to the website named aiconvo.in, and just you can buy it, and if you use the code elon20 you will get rupees 400 off. So that's it. We will meet you into the next video, and thank you for watching till here. Bye.